Here at Whatnot, we aim to make shipping a breeze so you can spend more time building a great business. Let's take a look at our shipping tools. Tap Seller Hub. Next, tap the Lines menu in the upper right. And then Shipping. Now you've got Whatnot shipping tools at your fingertips. Next, let's tap Domestic Shipments. You'll see a series of mailing class options, and they'll be different depending on which country you're based in. Check out our Help Center for more details on when and how you should use the options displayed here. By default, buyers pay for shipping on Whatnot. However, you have the option to offer free or reduced shipping as a seller. This can attract more buyers because shows with free and reduced shipping get a special visual treatment on Whatnot. To offer free or reduced shipping, tap back into your shipping tools and tap Shipping Costs. Here, you can select whether you want to cover all shipping costs, whether you want to offer reduced shipping costs, or whether you want the buyer to cover all shipping costs. Want to learn more? We have detailed articles in our Help Center that cover our shipping tools in depth. For even more helpful info on shipping, check out our Seller Summit video. It walks you through all things shipping, and you can find it in our Seller Academy.